Bus and Tutu are playing football. They enjoy themselves. Oh! The football fell into the grass. Bus is sad. Tutu decides to find it. Tutu is looking around. Then it climbs to the top. Shake the grass. A volleyball fell out. Shake again. Oh, a Coke bottle. Shake again. Oh, lots of garbage. Tutu kicks them away. Almost hit Bus. Shake again. Wow, a golden seed. Bus comes. He touches the seed. What kind of seed is it? Wolfoo is driving on the road. Hey, Wolfoo! Wolfoo heard Bus. Go to take a look. Wolfoo also comes. He's going to dig a pit. Done! Bus, push the golden seed into the pit. It's done! Then, Wolfoo fills the pit. Tutu transforms into a fire truck. Start watering the pit. Bus compacts the soil. Drive across the pit to make it compacted. Oh! The golden seed is sprouting. It grows into a big tree. Bus shouted, "Help! Help!" Tutu comes. Don't worry, Bus. I'm coming. Tutu raised the ladder. But he can't reach Bus. Tutu tries to pull down Bus with a rope. Tutu, throw out the rope. Okay, Tutu, go for it. Come on. The tree is bent. Bus is thrown into the river.